FoxNews.com/college challenge. Sign up by December 8th. Log on and start today.
Don't touch the head. No. No.
Shiloh, don't do that.
Should take his hand and put it on his back so he learns how to pet him.
It's running.
Dog. Go get that dog. Where's Peyton? You call Peyton. Dog.
I don't want any part of this.
Dude, where's the dog? Huh?
Oh, you need to supervise.
Oh my God, Shiloh. Daddy, look at that.
Right here,
Hush,
Shiloh.
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 Shiloh. Wait, Peyton, here. Look. Here. Oh. Here. Oh, Peyton.
Shiloh, look at mommy. Peyton.
Everybody in New England will see us at Mohegan Sun on October 30th.
Where's the dog? Go get the dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog?
Where's the dog?
Where's the dog? There's Peyton. Shiloh. Peyton.
City, New Jersey. I don't consider Christine O'Donnell's inexperienced minus based on what's in Congress. Now I consider it a plus. Helen Piper, fair bros and good. Hello, doesn't believe.
Go get it. Go get the dog. Go get it. Go get Peyton. Look at that. Shiloh is chasing the dog, honey.
Hey, Peyton.
Where's the dog? Go get Peyton. Go get him. Hey. That's a no-no. That's a no-no. Go get the dog.
It is your best book yet. I've read them all. Wow. You don't know how good that makes me feel.
Where's the dog?
I'd send you a signed copy. It's already helped.
Oh, wait.
You don't sign
Where's
copy.
the dog? Dog.
Uy!
No.
Si Shiloh nanggigigil eh.
Okay.
However, I am reading it on Kindle. Is that attendance?
That's the reason.